Classical Cryptography. Introduction. Scytale. Quiz. Where does the name Scytale come from? Is it the Greek word for cylinder, secret message, or hidden? What is the key of a text which was encrypted via a Scytale? The length of the wooden cylinder, the diameter of the wooden cylinder, or the number of words? Using transposition as an encryption method was first used with the Scytale and soon applied in further encryption methods. Is this statement true or false? If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.